Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and as always, I appreciate you. So, what we have here says the potentially hazardous asteroid Phaeton 3200 will zoom past Earth tomorrow. It says we don't wish to alarm you, but there's a gigantic space rock headed straight for Earth, which is not technically true. I mean, it's going to head past Earth, but it says, but don't worry, because even though NASA describes the asteroid 3200 Phaetons as potentially hazardous, it will zoom harmlessly past our planet tomorrow. Now it says this massive object causes the beautiful annual Geminids meteor shower, which hit its peak earlier this week with hundreds of shooting stars that lit up the night sky. It says Phaeton is due to come unusually close to our planet this weekend, zooming by at a distance of about 6 million miles, which is about 27 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. Now it says the asteroid will reach the closest point of its journey past our planet at 10 p.m. British time and should be visible through a telescope as long as you're standing in a dark place away from the glare of the city lights. So some of you, we might be able to see this thing come past us. So I guess that would be pretty interesting to actually watch and see. It says it's our closest encounter with the Phaeton since 1974. It says the next time it will brush by at such a close quarters will be in 2093. It says the asteroid is about half the size of the Chicxulub asteroid, that the rock that which wiped out the dinosaurs, and has a very unusual orbit which causes it to pass closer to the sun than any other named asteroid. It says astronomers from the Immanuel Kant Baltic Federal University recently published a video which tracks the path of Phaeton. So let's get here and see what else it says. It says in a statement, the uni wrote, apparently this asteroid was once a much bigger object, but its many approaches to the sun have caused it to crumble into smaller pieces, which eventually formed the Geminids meteor shower. It says if so, the asteroid itself could be the residue of a comet nucleus. The asteroid's extremely elongated orbit, thanks to which it sometimes gets to the sun closer than Mercury, and it sometimes moves away farther than Mars. And another argument in the favor of this theory is another argument in favor of this theory. Sorry. Now it says NASA has admitted to being somewhat baffled by the asteroid, which is capable of producing the sort of meteor shower normally associated with comets. It says the Geminids are the only meteor shower to be produced by an asteroid, and it's not entirely clear how this has happened. No offense to NASA, but I'm going to assume how it happened was its close passes to the sun, causing this thing to break up and break apart due to the intense heat. I'm just throwing that out there. I'm just saying I'm not no expert, honestly. But my theory would be that obviously when it passes that close to the sun, that it has to have something to do with it fragmenting and breaking up into all these in smaller pieces and causing the Gemini meteor shower, right? I don't know. Like, I'm probably wrong, but that's just my theory. But again, I just wanted to share this article with you. I did put out an article on Phaeton 3200 a couple weeks ago, I believe, but seeing as this thing's going to pass tomorrow, I just thought I'd throw it out there again. So if any of you want to try and catch this thing passing Earth, that would be awesome. I'd like to see some pictures of it, honestly. But other than that, thanks for watching these videos and supporting the channel. We're growing every single day, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.